Alright, welcome to episode 3 of this algebra series. Today we are beginning with the assignment that was given in episode 2. I gave 5 assignments the other time and I believe you must have solved it, so we are going to solve it now so that you will see where you made mistake and the ones you got correct. In the first question, we have 6 plus 4x squared minus 10 plus 9x squared plus 6. So we are going to collect like terms together and then simplify further. So we have 6 minus 10 plus 6. They are all like terms. And then we have plus 4x squared plus 9x squared. They are all like terms. So if you have problem in understanding what we actually did now, please, I will like you to go back to episode 1 and episode 2 and watch it very well, understand it very well, so that you can be able to flow with us. So in this case, I have plus 6 minus 10. Plus 6 minus 10. So what will it give us? This will give us minus 4. Then we have plus 6. Alright, we can do it outside of this place. So we have plus 6 minus 10 plus 6. I will just say plus 6 minus 10. They are different signs, so we subtract. You will have 4. And then 10 is the bigger number, so you put the sign of the 10. Minus 4 plus 6. Do the same thing, subtract. You have 2. That's plus 2. So you have plus 2. Then this one is just the same sign, plus plus. So you have 4 plus 9, which will give you plus 13x squared. So our answer will be 2 plus 13x squared. So this is our answer for number 1. Then for number 2, we have 5m plus 3n minus 1 minus 6m plus 4 plus 2n. We collect like terms. We have 5m minus 6m, then plus 3n plus 2n minus 1 plus 4. This will give us minus m, and these 2 plus 3n plus 2n will give us plus 5n, minus 1 plus 4 will give us plus 3. Now we can still rearrange this to have 5n minus m plus 3 as our answer. So let's solve the third one. We have 3f minus 3g minus 6f plus 9g plus 3f minus 4g. So let's quickly collect like terms. We have 3f, we have minus 6f, and we have plus 3f. Then we have minus 3g plus 9g and minus 4g. Then 3 minus 6 will give us minus 3. Then minus 3 plus 3 will give us 0. So everything here gives us 0f. Then coming to this place, we have minus 3 plus 9 minus 4. Minus 3 plus 9 will give you plus 6. And plus 6 minus 4 will give you plus 2. So we have 0f plus 2g. 0f is set as 0. So automatically everything about f is gone. We have only plus 2g as our answer. Let's solve the fourth one. We have y squared minus xy minus 8xy plus 9x squared. Now if you look at the question very well, you will see that we only have 2 like terms, which is minus xy minus 8xy. So what we are going to do is minus xy minus 8xy will give us minus 9xy plus 9x squared. So this becomes my answer. Since this y square, xy and x square they are not like terms. Remember what we did in episode 2. So let's solve the fifth one. We have 2e squared minus 2de plus 3f squared plus 5f squared plus 7de minus 4f squared minus 7e squared. Wow, this one is very long. Okay, let's solve it. Let's collect like terms. We have 2e squared. Then if you check, you will see that we have a like term here, which is 7e squared minus 7e squared. Then we have minus 2de, and we have a like term there, which is plus 7de. Then we have plus 3f squared plus 5f squared and minus 4f squared. So with this, we can now add or subtract. So we have 2 minus 7, which will give us minus 5e squared. Minus 2 plus 7 will give us plus 5de. And then plus 3 plus 5 will give us plus 8. And plus 8 minus 4. Plus 8 minus 4 will give us what? Plus 4. So we have plus 4f squared. Now you ask yourself, do we have any other like terms here? No like terms, so this becomes our answer. Okay, so this is the solution of all the questions I gave in the last assignment. Now let's quickly introduce multiplication in algebra. In this multiplication in algebra, I will do the first introduction in this episode 3. Then in episode 4, we go deeper in it. Now the first thing we have to understand is, when we have an algebraic term 2e, this 2e is actually joined through multiplication. What I mean by is that 2e is gotten from 2 times e. So this is what gave us 2e. So when we are multiplying in algebra, there are some rules you have to obey. Now let's take this question. For instance, you have 2e times 2f. Now the first thing you have to note is multiply number to number. That's the first rule you have to obey. The second rule is multiply letter to letter. With these two rules, you will not have problem solving it. So let's solve that question. I gave 2e times 2f. Now, multiply number to number. You will have 2 times 2, which will give you 4. Then letter to letter, e times f will give you ef. So this becomes our answer. Alright, let's have another one so that you understand better. You have 2x times 4xy. So how do we solve this? Number to number. So 2 times 4 is what? Give you 8. In this case, you have 2 letters, x and y, xy. The x multiply this x to have x squared. And then with this y, you will now put the y. So in other words, what I did is x times xy give you x squared y. Now why is this square? If you look at this, you have 2x here. This x has a power of 1. This x has a power of 1. Just add the 2 powers, you have 2. So that is how I got x squared y. So this becomes your answer. Alright, what if you have this 2x squared times 7y squared? What will it give you? 2 times 7 is what? 14. You have x squared y squared when you multiply the 2 letters. So this becomes our answer. Now this is the first part you need to know in multiplication of algebra. In the next episode, we're going to go deeper in it. See you in the next episode. Thank you.